Returning to school in the shadow of the COVID-19 pandemic, a familiar place but with new daily routines. Lining up for temperature checks and washing hands will be among the new norms for the next 2 months. Educators say they are mandatory measures.
This reopening is quite different from in previous years. Our biggest concern is how to prevent the epidemic among teachers and students. A school's profession is teaching, so we need to learn about how to implement prevention measures on campus, and then think about how to combine education with these prevention measures.
At this point, the only students heading back to the classroom are those who will take national college entrance exam in July. Full-size classes have been broken up into smaller ones to ensure necessary physical distancing.
The suspension of the class doesn't mean stop our learning, so I just keep working hard, and I believe if I continue my studying just like this, I will eventually get a good grades in the final exam.
Our school has made comprehensive and detailed arrangements for us to ensure that we are in good physical condition and to minimize the possibility of infection. And I think we can sufficiently protect ourselves by following our school's advice and requirements.
Every year, tens of millions of students take the exam, which is considered crucial in shaping their future. Lu Sirui, CGTN, Beijing.